I need next weekend so fucking bad. No babysitting, no bullshit.
How'd you like it?
So, you guys want to move back out?
What are we doing?
We're going to Cave, which is Second City.
That's a long walk.
You think we can actually get there?
I don't know. Find out.
You said cave?
Yep, that's what that Second City in the woods back there.
Mm-hmm.
That's what that one's called, I guess.
When I bought it, it was at 4.
I thought that was Castle. But it's the next one that's coming up.
Okay.
Oh, it's the next objective?
Yep.
Let's start walking. Simon!
That's how I got eliminated over there. You saw this?
Actually, you just came back from over there, yeah?
Yeah, we're losing everything over there.
Well, describe landmarks. Where are they at?
Honestly, I have no idea.
First Fields Pipeline, are they in there?
I don't think so.
So how far did you cross the river?
Yeah, they were in the thing with the fields.
The city?
No, right before it, like right after the river. There's a huge open place.
Yeah.
One bunker. That's where they were.
And there's like that city is over there and all
They
that?
also got beta too.
Okay.
Yep.
Do we have a bridge to cross the river over here or no?
What's up?
Is there a bridge to cross the river over here still or no?
Taking the thing?
No, I haven't heard any bridges or anything yet.
Mount up!
You get to take this off?
Moving up the cave.
Oh, well then shit. Nobody stick out the top. Just stay in the fucking back. And stay low.
That one you can get up top.
I'm not going up top. Actually, shit. I'll go up front if you don't want to. I will be more than happy to ride shotgun.
Welcome to Rainbow Six.
Hey, bud. Hey, where's my radio guy? Oh, hey, bro. I didn't
You your radio guy?
Yeah, I'm the radio guy. Sorry, man.
Ah, you good.
I might have to do 2 runs. Do we have a medic in there? No, no medic. All right. We'll do a second run.
All right, we'll wait. And I got comms with those guys.
Do another run, just so you know.
Reload, hydrate.
Yeah, stay clear. He's gonna back up.
I don't know. We'll find out.
Yep.
Clear, back it up.
Because I can't see for shit. I'm gonna back up on my side view.
Yep.
Kind of need a. Well, there is something.
Wait, low-key, can you grab it again?
Your bag is this.
That's mine.
Hey, yours? Really?
Yeah, I brought a fob bag. I'm not going out to the parking lot today. It's waterproof. It is. Yeah, fuck it. I'm on my feet all fucking day. Fuck this shit.
Alright. We gotta wait for that thing to come back anyway. Oh, man. Everything when this gets home.
Yeah, just leave it. Makes it look more battle worn. Yeah, that's gonna hurt tomorrow. I mean, it was literally like me to you. So, it was like literally me to you, so.
Oh, really?
And supposedly I missed the guy who shot me, which I got that on camera.
Fun. Might hit gear or dump pouch or some shit.
Did you also shoot somebody from point blank range?
Huh?
Did you also shoot somebody?
Oh yeah, I
from
saw
point
him
blank range?
first, and then he got healed. He was a medic too, which I don't know why he was leading the fucking stack, but that was stupid. And then he was leading the stack again.
Was it the commander?
No.
No green band?
No, just 2 white bands.
I don't know why he's leading stuff.
Yeah, it's fucking stupid. But
The same things, like I've been telling people to go in front of me.
Mhm.
Like, I am your medic. You joining us for the excursion?
What?
You joining us for the
I
excursion?
guess.
Yeah, we'll have to wait for the vehicle to come back, but They're running out to Cave, which is past Zion.
Past what is it called?
You know where Zion is? The second village out there.
Oh, we're going further south than that?
It's the patch of forest back left of that.
Oh, okay.
That's where we're going. Hopefully we can get in there and just get set up defensive.
I know, yeah. I'm hoping they're successful out there.
That area is actually pretty good to hold too. There's a lot of fallen trees in there.
Yeah, there is.
Hey Todd, how are things looking? I got a guy in the vehicle. Todd, do you copy? Did Tobin go with them?
Mm-hmm.
Tobin, do you copy?
I might have to face the mic.
They may be dead.
Doubt it.
Anybody on Mag Monkeys copy from the vehicle group?
Yes. Fuck yeah.
Oh man, nice to have radio comms.
Is there a designated driver for that pump there?
There is, yeah. It's a player, but
Yeah, you have to take it driver's test.
yeah.
They still doing those?
Ask Will. He's been doing good. He's been getting kills from the driver's seat. It's kind of funny.
I know, right? He keeps coming back. He's like, yeah, I just stuck it out. Bop, bop.
He didn't even stick it out. There's just a gap in the screen that he was shooting through. Like right next to where the mirror is. He just shot through that little slit for like one-handed. It's kind of funny.
Gun truck's on its way back.
Very firm. We're going out to an objective that's past.
They're just
the
dropping
town.
us off. It's a battle taxi.
Yeah. It's transporting people. There's an objective way out in the back that's gonna go live here in a couple minutes.
Hmm?
Way at the end of the field. So.
Damn near
Have
the.
you ever been out there?
Oh, well, you're about to.
Yeah, you're about to see how far. It's
It actually goes further than that, but not under.
It does, but
Huh?
barely.
10 minutes to walk back.
Yeah, it's probably about a 20-minute walk.
We should probably.
Yeah, it's true. It's probably
I'll see
more
how it
time.
looks out there, but we can probably get Charlie Fob out there.
Yeah, that's just further south.
It should just be west of it.
Southwest,
Actually.
yeah.
Yeah, it should be in line.
Huh?
We're gonna actually pass
Really
it.
focus on Cave, though.
Yeah,
Well-
I'll probably just send a couple people to try to.
Yeah, we're gonna need that fob if
Try
we
to
get
get
I need
if we
you
get
getting
fucked.
those boys playing smart out there.
So here's what I'm gonna do. We get up there.
Have you
Hey,
seen
you
what
got
we're
a
working
second
with
radio now?
today?
What's up?
You got a second radio now?
Yeah, rep radio will.
Nice. That's worth it.
Hey, what was
I
that
just buy a
fast moving
second one.
thing
He said
over
I'll
there?
be a commander for at least next week. He said if I do good, he'll keep me. But
Okay.
Hey man, you seem to be
That's
enjoying
us.
it.
I know, yeah.
That's all it is. I'm trying my best to work well with you because I'm the only one that can.
Yeah.
Hopefully in later weekends you'll have it. I won't be here next week, but
Okay, yeah.
I'm trying to come back for Thunder.
Yeah, it's the 18th. I'm pretty sure.
The 18th Thunder, yeah.
Why did they cancel?
Because it got rained out.
And everybody left.
I was up here running a shooting event over at the ranges, but like it was lightning and it was thunder.
Hey, it's called Operation Thunder. Come on.
Yeah, Operation Thunder got thundered out.
Uh,
There's also just like microburst after microburst. It was weird.
oh, I was out here for Op Freedom.
Yeah, Op Freedom was.
That fucking tanked, dude. That was
It
horrible.
got rained out. Because
It got lightninged out.
towards Hay City. Shit, that's even further down. Hay City. Hay City is on the other side of.
Of the road.
Load up.
You ready, boys?
Am I the only medic going?
You're the medic in this group. He's also a medic.
Don't die.
Fucking rock and roll.
Everybody in.
And that was a fucking
Oh, put that back.
hazard. Oh shit. I'm getting too old for this bullshit.
Amen. Amen.
And just stay down.
All right, we're gonna be speed running past a couple of spots where they're kind of thick, so
Got a guy in.
Sit.
feel free to stick a muzzle out the window outside of that. Keep your head
Hey, we got
down.
another medic in here.
Yes.
Me.
We got two medics.
All right.
We have another medic at Cave right now.
Right there. The hole he was thinking about.
Oh shit. I didn't realize this was fucking open in the
He's in.
front.
Keep down.
We good? Yeah, we're good. Wait, whoa.
Gotta lock it.
Latch it.
We launched.
Spin it around.
Oh shit. Hold on. Okay.
Okay. Hold right there. See if you can shoot out of it.
Hold on tight, boys. It gets rough real fast. Don't shoot. Just keep your heads down.
Unless it's that fucking easy, do not stand up for anything.
Oh, I'm not seeing enough of shit. You couldn't pay me to stand up.
You'd be the only one.
Oh man. And before we stick it anyway. And before we take a chalk round. Hey, we're gonna take a different route because you know they're gonna be waiting on us.
I know, but I'm gonna play it by them just to see if they're willing to try.
You're good.
But I'm not going on that side.
Alright, keep your eyes out. If you see anything, let me know.
Anyone else with a gun, you're allowed to go full auto while you're inside the vehicle if we give you permission to fire.
Copy that.